Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will talk about deep bite or it is called excessive overbite. It is a malocclusion where upper front teeth excessively overlap the lower front teeth when the back teeth are closed. Patients seeking an orthodontic treatment rarely report deep bite or excessive overbite as their primary concern is only about crooked teeth or crowding of the teeth. Many are surprised when their orthodontist explain them to open their bite or to level their lower arch. While in deep bite may or may not be aesthetic concern, but presence of deep bite usually indicates that there are other problems that should be addressed. So friends, it is necessary to treat or to correct your deep bite or excessive overbite.
Now the question is, what causes a deep bite? You may develop a deep bite for several reasons, including from one or more of the following. Number 1 is the genetic, then missing teeth, then jaw injury, then small jaw, then strong bite develop from grinding your teeth or clenching your jaw, and the last one is not enough room in your mouth for permanent teeth to come. A deep bite can happen to everyone, from young children to adult. Deep bite is a common condition that relates to how your front and bottom teeth align. If your upper front teeth comes down too far over your bottom front teeth when you close your jaw, that's considered a dental misalignment. Your front bottom teeth showing a few millimeter or more is normal, but if your top teeth overlap your bottom teeth more than 4 mm, this could be considered a deep bite. You should seek treatment for a deep bite because it can cause larger issue to your oral health like sores on the roof of your mouth and worn down teeth. There are variety of treatments available to correct a deep bite. How are deep bite treated? The answer is there are several ways to treat a deep bite. It's likely you will visit an orthodontist or a dentist to discuss the treatment option for your condition. Each case of deep bite needs to be considered individually. You may have other conditions related to deep bite that also need to be addressed during treatment. Your age may also affect your treatment plan. Here are some different methods your doctor may suggest to treat your deep bite. The first and foremost is the tooth removal. The doctor may recommend removing certain teeth to help reline your bite. This may involve removing teeth in the back of your mouth. Children receiving treatment for deep bite may have baby or permanent teeth removed to help with alignment. Dental appliances. There are many dental appliances that can help to correct your deep bite. Number 1 is the braces. Braces are installed brackets on your teeth that are connected by wires that your doctor will tighten over the course of your treatment. Later on, retainers. They are removable appliances made from wires and plastic that you can take out if needed, though you probably need to wear them for most hours in the day. The third option is tray aligners. They are the clear trays that align your teeth over time. They are an alternative to the braces. Now we'll talk about the teeth repair. Your doctor may determine that repairing of your back teeth will improve your deep bite. This may include adding implant or building up worn down teeth with bonding to improve your teeth alignment. Your doctor may recommend additional methods as well to address the deep bite. Sometimes we are in need of surgery. Your doctor may recommend jaw surgery to correct your deep bite. If it is caused by your bones, surgery may be more appropriate for older teens or adults who are no longer growing. Your entire treatment may include wearing braces or another dental appliances before and after surgical procedure. Surgery may involve a hospital stay, general anesthesia, that is a full body anesthesia, and a several weeks of recovery. Now we'll discuss about the complications we have to face if deep bite is untreated or left untreated. Correcting a deep bite will help you avoid complications that can arise from this condition. Many people seek to correct a deep bite for cosmetic reason, but there are other reasons to treat it. Complications are like worn down lower teeth, that compromises tooth structure and require dental interventions. Second number is the sores or ulcers that develops on the roof of your mouth. Number 3 is the crooked or cramped teeth that can't be corrected until the deep bite is treated. Number 4 is the development of TM joint disorders, that is a temporomandibular joint that helps in to open and to close the mouth. Number 5 is problems when eating or drinking, and number 6 is the gum disease. So friends, takeaway key is deep bite is a common health condition. You may notice symptoms of deep bite and want to correct it for cosmetic reasons. There are many reasons beyond looks to correct your deep bite. Treating your deep bite easily can avoid more serious oral health conditions from developing. A dentist can help determine a treatment plan to correct a deep bite that may involve tooth extractions, appliances, or other dental work. This is our patient's. His work is going on in our dental care clinic in Bombay. He is having a deep bite. He is having a severe pain in his posterior teeth. You can see his video. This is my patient. His name is Tanmay. Okay. You tell me your full name.
My name is Tanmay Sundar. I am 28 years old.
Okay.
And the problem I was facing earlier was I had very disaligned teeth. And I wasn't able to chew properly. So whenever I was chewing anything, I was feeling a little pain. And now I am into preliminary stage of braces, and my teeth are now aligned. I can feel this is the second month. This treatment is going to be there for 12 months. This is the second month, and I can already feel the difference.
Good.
So whenever I am trying to chew anything, so right now there are little restrictions, but still I can feel the difference. And I would suggest everyone, you should take care of your dental health. People tend to ignore it a lot, but it's not advisable. You should always take care of your teeth.
Good. That is the message for the other public, right?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Very nice.
So friends, be remember, if you are having any deep bite or your friend having any deep bite, then you have to consult your dentist because he is the right person to give you the right decision. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.